Thank you so much for coming to the parent teacher conference. I gathered you guys here because your kids, they suck.
Sounds about right.
They smell, they're disgusting, yes. They're brats, yes.
Okay, their kids might be, but my daughter's an angel.
Yeah, Vivian?
Vienna.
Yeah, she's what we call a teacher's pet.
What's wrong with that? She's a good student.
Everything, okay? She's a know-it-all. Anyways, this is what happened. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mrs. Applebaum.
You see that? You see that? You should behave good like Vivian, all right?
Actually, it's how well I behave, and my name is pronounced Vienna.
Okay, Veronica.
All right, so the Declaration of Independence was signed in 1975.
Shh. Actually,
The hell?
it was signed in 1776 in Pennsylvania by John Adams and John Hancock.
Okay, well, sweetie, all right, I'm the teacher, and I'm gonna teach the class, okay?
If you were the teacher, you would know how to do this.
Well, it was 1776.
You taught her everything, that's the problem, you see? You over there with the phone. Yeah, your kid. So the homework is to read chapter 5 and 6, okay? Where is he? Whoever tells me gets a lollipop. Jake. Get up and write the homework on the board.
I'll do it, I know.
You know. Wake up. And then he fell asleep, and everybody fell asleep. Ma'am. Whose mother are you?
Jake's mom.
Jake's mom. Oh, yeah. Now I understand.
What about my kid?
Yeah, your kids. What are your kids' names?
Candy. Cherry with a K.
Oh, you guys. Yeah. That's an interesting one. Simples are a type of retirement plan limited to small businesses. So if you giving to them.
Oh, back up! He's mine!
No, he's mine.
Hey, sit down. Oh. No. Bam, no. So yeah, they were fighting for, actually your kid, your son.
Oh, sounds about right. Taught my little boy well.
Miguel!
Miss Apple Butt.
Did you throw that at me?
Gladly.
Oh, really? Detention.
Oh, one thing first.
You missed me.
Did I?
What is wrong with you people? Obviously your kids are like this because they're influenced by your bad behavior. Are you serious? And your kid? Yeah, your kid? He deserves detention.
I got something for you.
What? Oh, not too bad.